In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload text files to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a text file so ChatGPT can reference it while you chat, which is great for sharing notes, outlines, or any content you want help analyzing or rewriting. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the chat box where you normally type your message. Just to the left of that message field, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the attachment options. From the menu that appears, choose Add Photos and Files. This tells ChatGPT you want to attach something from your device. When you select that option, your computer's file explorer will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your text file lives. You can pick a simple .txt file or any plain text style file that you've saved. Select the file, then confirm. You'll see the file appear as an attachment in the chat area, letting you know it's ready to go. At this point, you can also type a quick message that explains what's inside the file or what you want ChatGPT to do with it, like summarize, extract key points, or rewrite in a specific tone, so the assistant knows how to help. If you prefer an even faster method, you can simply drag and drop your text file right onto the ChatGPT window. Grab the file from your desktop or folder, drag it over the chat area, and release it when you see the drop indication. The file will attach automatically. This is especially handy if you already have the file open or visible on your screen. A few helpful tips as you do this. Make sure your file is saved and closed before attaching so nothing's locked by another program. Give your file a clear name so it's easy to recognize once it appears in the chat. Keep the content plain and readable. Unnecessary formatting can make text harder to process. And double-check that you're only sharing information you're comfortable including, since ChatGPT will use the content to respond. That's all there is to it. Either click the plus icon and choose Add Photos and Files, then select your text file or drag and drop the file directly into the chat window. Once you see it attached, you're set to continue the conversation with your text ready for reference.